Thinking about moving to Barcelona? Here are 15 things you should know before you go. Language. While Spanish is the official language of Spain, Barcelona is in the Catalonia region and the primary language is Catalan. However, most people also speak Spanish, and English is widely spoken in tourist areas. Visa requirements. Expats from outside the European Union will need to obtain a visa before moving to Barcelona. Accommodation. Housing can be expensive in Barcelona, especially in the city center, so it's important to research and budget accordingly. Public transportation. Barcelona has a good public transportation system, including metro, buses, and trams. Healthcare. Spain has a national healthcare system that expats can access, but they may also want to consider private health insurance. Weather. Barcelona has a Mediterranean climate with mild winters and hot summers, so be prepared for warm weather. Culture. Barcelona is known for its art, architecture, and music scene, so expats should take advantage of the many cultural events and activities in the city. Food and drink. Barcelona is famous for its tapas and seafood, and expats should also try local specialties like paella and cava. Cost of living. While not as expensive as some other European cities, Barcelona can still be relatively costly for some expats. Safety. Barcelona is generally a safe city, but expats should take precautions against petty theft and pickpocketing. Work opportunities. Expats looking for work in Barcelona may face competition, but there are opportunities in sectors like tourism, tech, and education. Integration. Learning the local language and culture can help expats integrate into Barcelona society and make new friends. Nightlife. Barcelona has a vibrant nightlife scene, with many bars, clubs, and music venues open late into the night. Beaches. Barcelona has several beaches within the city limits, and they are popular spots for swimming and sunbathing in the summer. Festivals. Barcelona hosts many festivals throughout the year, including the famous La Mersa festival in September, so expats should be prepared for crowds and noise during these times. Barcelona is a vibrant and exciting city with much to offer expats. By knowing these 15 things before you go, you'll be better prepared to make the most of your time in this beautiful city. Thanks for watching.